So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick unboxing, I have this very good ZAMAC model by Hot Wheels. It's the Shelby Cobra 427 SC and it's a mainline. I'm a huge fan of these ZAMAC models from Hot Wheels. They are these unpainted die-cast models. Unpainted in a sense that they are not painted. This one has a decos, but every Hot Wheels casting is ZAMAC in itself. It's just painted and then detailed on. So this is the Shelby Cobra we have, and let's get straight into the uncarding of this model. So here we have the casting, and let's take a close-up view of this. It looks really good for a ZAMAC model. I really like the windshield over here, obviously plastic, and the decals on this casting are so minimal, but it looks very good for this sky blue pinstripe over here, and the numbers 427 corresponding to the vehicle's name. We don't have any decals, any sort of headlight or taillight details, but it looks okay in the pure ZAMAC finish it comes with. And for the base we have the plastic chromed out base, and for the wheels it's the retro slot wheels, which are also chromed out, and the interior details are also very good. By the way, I have something to show here, which is the Tesla Cybertruck. It's also a ZAMAC casting, and also DMC DeLorean, which is a treasure hunt. By the way, all these three cars come from the same mainline series, which is the rolling metal series. The ZAMAC finish on all of them seems somewhat different. I don't know how. It's a different type of clear coat, I guess, if I have to guess. So this video was about the Shelby Cobra, this one, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you guys think about this particular model and about the ZAMAC models in general? Do you have any ZAMAC models? Let me know, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos like this. Thank you.